Kia has just introduced the highly anticipated EV5, an all-electric compact SUV, at the Chengdu Motor Show in China. This new model is positioned under the EV6 in both pricing and overall dimensions, while borrowing the looks of the larger EV9. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends to stay up to date with the latest car news. The EV5 will initially launch in China, but Kia has confirmed that it will be available globally, with more details to be released during the Kia EV Day in October this year. The styling of the production model is nearly identical to the previewing concept from a few months ago. A closer look reveals that the futuristic wheels are slightly smaller, measuring up to 21 inches. The inlets integrated within the sharp-looking LED headlights have been replaced by projector units, while the mirrors have grown and the bumpers received minor tweaks. Overall, the EV5 looks like the smaller brother of the EV9 flagship, with a more aggressive tiger face treatment. It has a similar footprint to the ICE-powered Kia Sportage and is 135 mm, 5.3 inches, shorter than a Tesla Model Y. The target audience of the Kia EV5 is millennial families, which means that practicality was a focus point alongside modern design, comfort, and sustainability. The interior of the SUV was imagined as an additional room for millennial households. The lounge atmosphere is enhanced by features like the front passenger seat that expands over the central tunnel, making it look more like a couch. The 64-color ambient lighting with adjustable brightness is in sync with the drive modes and the ADAS alerts. The sculpted dashboard of the EV5 has a similar layout to the EV9, focused around a single panel with dual displays for the instrument cluster and the infotainment. The 4-spoke steering wheel integrates most of the controls, while Kia opted for physical buttons for the AC. We can also see dual USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, cup holders, and storage cubbies. The rear bench folds flat while the cargo space features practical partitions and additional underfloor storage. As with other members of the Hyundai Kia electric family, the EV5 is expected to ride on the eGMP architecture. The company didn't announce the specifications of the electric powertrain at this point, saving them for the event in October. Still, thanks to documents from China, we already know that the Chinese spec version of the Kia EV5 will be powered by a single electric motor producing 215 GP, 160 kilowatts, 218 PS, and 310 nanometers, 229 lb-ft of torque, transmitted to the front wheels. We also know that the SUV will use BYD's Blade lithium iron phosphate battery pack, although its capacity and range have yet to be disclosed. Kia said that the specifications of the EV may vary depending on the region, hinting at a different setup for markets outside China. The market launch of this electric SUV will commence in China in 2023, with select global markets to follow in future. Besides this compact SUV model, Kia is already working on an even smaller EV4 subcompact model that will further expand its zero-emission range next to other models such as Niro EV, EV6 crossover, and EV9 full-size SUV. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.